Thank you for your purchase and welcome to the SureKap family. You just received your SureKap capper and it's time to uncrate it. To safely uncrate the capper or cap tightener, you'll need a forklift and several spacer boards. First, let's start by removing the four walls and any sample or parts boxes that may be included in the crate. Next, use a forklift to lift the pallet and place it on 4x6 spacer boards. This allows a person access to unscrew the shipping bolts from the capper. Once the shipping bolts are loose, have a person steady the machine so it doesn't roll off the pallet. Next, you'll need the forklift to lift the capper off the pallet and onto the ground. Position the forks on the side opposite the cap chute for cappers and either side for cap tighteners. Space the forks as wide as possible between the casters. Slowly raise the capper with the forklift and slowly back the capper away from the pallet. Once clear, gently lower the capper to the ground. Lastly, retrieve the four shipping bolts from the pallet and insert them into the capper legs from the top. Don't forget the lock nuts underneath. These will act as leveling bolts when the machine is installed on the production line. Please call our service department with any questions. Thanks again from SureKap.